Hi, Vanessa here. In this video I will be demonstrating how to crochet the Sieve crochet stitch. So it's a pretty simple stitch with mostly just chaining and single crochet stitches, and it has this beautiful lace, almost like honeycomb design. Okay. Okay, so for the materials I'm using today, this is Lion Brand's Scarfie, and it is category 5 bulky weight, and I'm using a size K 6.5, and that's what this yarn recommends. Alright, so let's get started. So you want to start with a slip knot, and you're going to chain in multiples of 3 plus 2. So I'm going to chain 15 plus 2. I'm going to chain a total of 17 stitches. Okay, so for your foundation row, you want to work 1 single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Okay, so this loop doesn't count as a stitch. Okay, so working into the second stitch, that's the first, that's the second, we're going to work 1 single crochet. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, this is the wrong side of your work. Now you're going to repeat, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to skip 2 chain stitches, 1, 2, and you're going to work 1 single crochet into the next. Okay, so repeat, chain 3, skip 2, 1 single crochet into the next. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 2, 1 single crochet into the next. Chain 3, skip 2, 1 single crochet into the next. Okay, so we have 3 stitches left. Chain 3, skip 2, 1 single crochet into the last stitch. Okay, so that is your foundation row. So let's start with row 1. So this is the right side of your work. You're going to chain 1 and turn. Then you're going to work 5 single crochets into the chain 3 space. So right into the space, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so you're just going to work 5 single crochets into every chain 3 space. Okay, so right into the next chain 3 space right here, 5 single crochets. Okay, next chain 3 space, 5 single crochets. Okay, next chain 3 space, 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so this is the last chain 3 space right here. So we're just going to work 4 single crochets into this last chain 3 space, and then we'll work 1 single crochet into the very last stitch. Okay, so there's 4 single crochets into this last stitch. You want to work 1 single crochet. Okay, so that's row 1. We're going to start row 2, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to count as 1 double crochet and 2 chains. So turn your work. Okay, so you're going to skip this first stitch here and the second, and then you're going to work 1 single crochet into the next. Then you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the middle of this 5 single crochets, you're going to work 1 single crochet into the middle one. Okay, so the third single crochet, and that's what you repeat all the way across. Chain 3, 1 single crochet into the middle of the next set of single crochets, chain 3, and then into the middle of the next set of single crochet stitches, 1 single crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then into the last set here we're working 1 single crochet, and then we're going to chain 2 and work 1 double crochet onto the last stitch, in the last stitch. Okay, so row 3, chain 1 and turn 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Now we're going to work 2 single crochet stitches into the next chain space. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, now we're going to work 5 stitches into the next chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so work 5 single crochet stitches into every chain 3 space until the last set. Okay, we're at the end here. This was your turning chain. We're going to match the beginning of the row. Okay, so 2 single crochets into the space, and then 1 single crochet into the third chain from the turning chain. Okay, so now we have 1 row left for the 4 row repeat. Row 4, you're going to chain 1, turn 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Then we're going to chain 3 and work 1 single crochet into the middle of the 5 single crochet stitches. Chain 3, 1 single crochet into the middle of the 5 single crochet stitches. Chain 3, and then just go ahead and repeat all the way across until the last set. Okay, chain 3. So right here we have only 3 single crochet stitches. We're going to work 1 single crochet into the very last stitch. Okay, so now you just repeat rows 1 through 4 until you're happy with your size. I'm going to work a few more rows and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I've worked a few more rows and this is what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. See you next time.